Good morning, all. Well, Amazon apparently is shipping free items to a retired couple. This story is from the Washington Post, the mysterious tale of a retired couple who keeps receiving free items from Amazon and they want it to stop. Why? Well, let's see. Last October, Kelly, 68, remembers seeing an Amazon box addressed to her husband sitting outside their Massachusetts house. And it was a tiny gizmo stuff. She asked, what did you order this for? Asking her 70-year-old husband. Mike did not order them. It was easy for the couple to forget about the puzzling package, except they kept getting many more. More than 20 boxes have been sent to the house, all addressed to Mike, none containing the sender's names or invoices or receipts. And the gadgets have started piling up in the corner of the house. Phone chargers, USB cords, outdoor TV plastic cover, a vacuum cleaner, humidifier, Bluetooth speaker, okay, a rechargeable dog collar. While the couple hasn't been charged for any of the items, they fear their names might be connected to some sort of scam. At first it was kind of weird, then kind of funny, then kind of creepy. Kelly said, "We don't want this stuff. Some of it's trash, some of it's pretty good stuff. I guess you have to take the good with the bad." It's an uncomfortable feeling that we kept getting these things. I guess you can donate them. The Galvins are retired intensive care nurses, aren't the first to receive these types of packages. Anonymous boxes labeled as Amazon packages have been arriving to several Canadian university student unions. Okay, so what is going on? Let's see here. If we scroll down, we are investigating inquiries from consumers who have received unsolicited packages, and this would violate our policies. Okay. Amazon has multiple checks in place to monitor customer accounts and transactions. As bad actors get smarter, so do we. A couple of experts for Amazon told Murphy that a mysterious seller was probably trying to boost the visibility of their product online by creating a false email account, which would then be used to create an Amazon account. Then the seller would buy the product with a gift card and send it to someone random. And then once the item is shipped, the seller, now considered a verified buyer, can write a positive review of the product with the false email account. I'm only going to say one thing. If those folks happen to receive a TV, a computer monitor larger than 19-inch or a faster computer, just send it my way. I'll be happy to relieve you of your burden. That's all I have for this daily tech brief. Have a good weekend.